Yeah, we're outside. Awesome weather. Jeoff Re'z DIY. We will be bottom pruning some plants today, so let's head straight into the video. These are the ones that we will be looking at today. These are some peppers. The lower portion of these plants have never been pruned since they were transplanted here into this raised bed. And today is the day for their bottom pruning to be done. So what you see here is a lot of leaves at the lower portion of these stems, and you can remove this by hand, or you can use a clean shear, a knife, or even a scissors, and that is what I will be using today, scissors. So what we will be doing now is to remove as much leaf as possible from the lower portion of these plants. You want to cut the leaves as close to the stem as possible. This procedure is very simple, and you can apply it to any of your plants that is having a lot of foliage. Not everyone would have known what this process is called, so what I'm doing here now is simply called bottom pruning. It is not limited just to the removal of leaves, but it also applies to the removal of branches as well. So when you cut these away, it not only just allows sunlight to pass through, but it also allows air to filter through as well. So guys, cutting away your leaves or branches is optional. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but this is something that I practice on a regular basis. I realize this works for me and it makes my plants more healthy, so I advise persons to do likewise. It doesn't require expertise or a certain level of skill. Anybody can do this. It is pretty simple. It is just as you see that I am doing right here. Very simple. So as you are seeing, I am removing as much leaves as I can right now. I will be showing you what it looks like after all of this is done. Miss Bev's production and weight loss journey. Big up yourself. Guys, it's an awesome channel. I just want you to just drop by, give some support. If you are interested in the whole weight loss management, I think this is a channel for you as well. So when you go over there, just leave a comment. Let her know that Jeoff Re'z DIY sent you across to support her channel. Upward and onward. So right now guys, I'm just removing the leaves that I cut off from these branches. I'm going to crush them, and then I'm also going to place them underneath the tree, because these will break down and turn into manure as well. You will also want to till the soil around the base of each of these plants so as to encourage the uptake of oxygen to the roots. And if you want to apply chemical or organic fertilizers to the roots, this is the time in which you can do it as well. So here is what they look like now after all the pruning has been done. Very clean and beautiful. You can see all the way through these plants right now. Very awesome. And prior to this, it was having a very bushy undergrowth. So guys, check out the video appearing on your screen right now to see how I stake my pepper plant using a simple clothes hanger. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.